Loss will either break you or build you. Divorce, failure, financial collapse, or betrayal. Every man faces a season where something he built falls apart. The question is not whether it hurts. It will. The question is what you build next. The reality is, most men respond to loss with anger. They blame, they replay conversations, they live in what if, and slowly they stop building. Bitterness feels powerful, but it freezes progress. The hard truth is, you cannot rebuild your life by holding on to resentment. You cannot become stronger by hanging on to the past. You cannot lead your future if you are emotionally chained to yesterday. Pain is real, but staying broken is a choice. If you want to rebuild right now, then do this. First, accept what happened. Not emotionally, structurally. It happened. It's done. Now move. Second, control your narrative. Stop telling the story where you're the victim. Start telling the story where you are rebuilding. Third, improve your foundation. Your body, your income, your discipline, your mindset. Rebuild yourself before you rebuild anything else. Loss is not the end of your identity. It's pressure. And pressure builds men. Not perfectly, but intentionally. You don't wait for life to fix itself. You build yourself forward. Men aren't born, they're built.